This video is going to show you how you can set any missing grades in Canvas to default to have a 0 grade without doing it individually. So if you're in your Canvas gradebook, the way that you will do the default grade, let's say I choose this Lab 4. Notice that I have some missing grades here. Where there are dashes, that means that the grades are missing. The student has not submitted anything. Now, my students still have time to make up missing work, but I want them to know that if they don't make it up, it is in fact a 0. So I'm going to set the default grade to 0. So if I click the three dots and I choose Select Default Grade, I'm going to enter a 0 here as the default grade. What this means is that it gives all students the same grade by entering whatever value I put here. So basically, if they don't do anything, they will have this grade that I enter. Do not choose Overwrite Already Entered Grades because I want the already entered grades to still be there. I'm only filling in a default grade for any missing grades. So when I set default grade, and then all at one time, you see it updates 6 scores at once. So 6 students' scores will now turn into zeros. So it's a really quick way to quickly zero out any missing grades without doing it manually for each individual student. This is also nice because if the student were to go back and do the assignment or do another attempt, or however you have your settings set, it will accept that new grade. So I strongly suggest that you do this so that students know where they actually stand in your class, because any missing grades without grades, Canvas is not counting them as zeros. So if you have any questions, feel free to ask. Thanks, guys.